Welcome to Jakarta. Here, the growth of artificial intelligence is accelerating. The demand for massive computation requires high-performance computing. Artificial intelligence now plays an important role in research and decision-making. High-performance computing serves as the primary foundation for large-scale simulations and analysis. ASEAN is entering a critical phase, a phase to strengthen digital capacity that is aligned and ready for modern challenges. Through regional cooperation, knowledge exchange, and the use of HPC, the region can build an AI foundation that is safe, inclusive, and responsible. This workshop highlights two main pillars. The first pillar, strengthening the foundations of the AI ecosystem, governance, ethics, data availability, supporting infrastructure. The second pillar applies AI development supported by high-performance computing, autonomous mobility, low-emission innovation, climate modeling, satellite-based environmental monitoring. Collaboration between ASEAN and the Republic of Korea is an important step in strengthening research capacity and technological readiness facilitated by BRIN. With this momentum, ASEAN has a strong opportunity to enhance regional competitiveness and support sustainable growth. Through knowledge exchange, harmonized technical standards, and stronger data governance, this partnership builds regional digital resilience. Together, we are taking an important step towards strengthening AI innovation through HPC for a more connected and resilient ASEAN.